Good morning students, we will continue with our chapter 3 factors and multiples. We are already seeing about the factors and multiples, what are the factors and how to find the divisibility using all the numbers, and what we were seeing what are the prime numbers, co-prime and composite number. Then we were seeing what is prime factorization. In the last topic we saw was highest common factor. We have different types in that HCF. We can find the HCF using prime factorization and division method. The same way now, today we are going to see about the least common multiple, that is LCM. How to find this LCM using prime factorization method and division method. We have two methods, that is using prime number, prime factorization, and by division method. We will just continue with this LCM. LCM is nothing but finding the multiples of the given number. This is multiples of 3 and multiples of 4, and we are taking the common multiples of both 3 and 4. Multiples mean the tables, okay, 3, 6, adding plus 3 plus 3 and adding here plus 4 and plus 4. We are going to find out the common multiple here for 3 and 4. Okay students, the same way they are asking here, see, find the common multiple of 4 and 6. Try to find this. In 4 what and all go? 4, 8, 12, 16. The same way in 6 table, 6, 12, 18, 24. The same way. What is the first common multiple? First common multiple they are asking. What is the first common multiple? 12. Here also 12. Here also 12. So the first common multiple is nothing but 12. The same way you are going to find for this 7 and 8 also, same way as it is. Okay students, find the common multiples of 7 and 8. Whereas in HCF we were seeing the factors to find the common factors, whereas in LCM common multiples. Here to find the LCM we have two methods. LCM 2 or 3 numbers as mentioned. We have two ways, that is LCM by prime factorization and LCM by division method. The same as that of HCF. Two methods, prime factorization and division method. Okay. First we will see how to find using prime factorization method. First is LCM by prime factorization method. That means you need to use only the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2. Then all the odd numbers 3, 5, 7, 11. The smallest prime number is 2 and this is the even number. This is the only one even number in the prime number. Okay students, all other are odd numbers. See here, we will see the prime factorization method. Find the prime factors of the given number. They are saying find the prime factors of the prime numbers. What are the factors? Okay. Then find the common factor, multiply the common factor. You need to find the prime factors, then for both the number what is the common factor you are going to find, then you are going to multiply it. That's all students. We will see an example here. See here for 24 and 27. So take LCM for 24. 24 first check from the least prime number. What is the least prime number? We have 2. So in 2 table 24 will go. So 2 12s are 24. Again 12 will go in the 2 table. So 6 are 12. Again 6 will go in 2 table. 3s are again 3, 1. Okay. The same way for 27. 27 check for the least prime number in 2 table whether 27 will go. It will not go. So then check for the next number. 3 table it will go. 9s are. Again check for 2 table. It will go in 9. 9 will go. No, it will not go. Again 3. 3s are. So 3 again 1. Okay. If they are not putting here, no problem. Till 1 comes you can solve it. Then what you are going to write? Try to write all this. Try to write all this as a product. See, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Okay, they have writing it as a product. Now we are going to find a common number. Now we are going to find the common number. What is the common number here? 3, 3 only is the common number. 3, 3. Then again 3 is the common factor. Uncommon factors are here 1, 2, 2, 2. Here 3, 3, 3. So these are the uncommon factors. What they are going to do is for common factor you need to, since we have 3, 3 here, you are going to write it as a only 1, 3. Common factor ku ஒரு நம்பர் தான் எடுத்து எழுதணும். 3 into 3 means you need to write only 1, 3. Okay. 3 into 3 means you need to write as only 1, 3. See here. Then you need to write other uncommon factors. Now we are going to multiply all this one. Okay. So what they are doing? See here. All the common factors and uncommon factors are multiplied here. If you multiply, they are getting 216. Therefore, the LCM of 24 and 27 is 216. Okay. Common factor. See, this is the important thing. That is, common factor is multiplied only once. If you have a common, see here also if I 2, here also if I 2, if I have 2, you have to take only once. Okay. The common factor is multiplied only once. Here 3 is a common factor, so it is multiplied only once. Understood, students? It is, if you have any common factor, you need to multiply only once. So this is simple as that of the LCM by prime factorization method. We are going to find only using prime factorization method. Okay students, only using prime numbers. Going to multiply both common and uncommon factors. For common factor you have to take only one number. This is the important one, just try to see it. Okay, next we will continue with the